holy grail of business is that business is based on three really big things. Very clear customer you're super clear about that wants a very clear result. And you're very clear about this very simple result, and then use a very clear mechanism to deliver the result. Now, if we can think about business like this allows us during, say, a challenging time like a coronavirus period, is that what business owners don't think and what most business owners suffer from is we suffer from what I would call, many people might know it as like expert syndrome, but expert syndrome is crippling to your wealth. What I like to call it is a mechanism first thinking. I like to give people a whole new context for how to start a business. What's my idea? What's my mechanism? I teach yoga as an example. And so when coronavirus comes, for example, people think their businesses are destroyed because they're oriented towards mechanism first thinking. But what's actually going on is in the clear customer, clear result, clear mechanism framework, the mechanism has been somewhat brutally destroyed for many businesses. But what those businesses can, after they heal the trauma and their survival emotions that come up from one of their babies being destroyed, which is their business, if they feel that way about it, is they can come back to, there's a very clear customer that you're serving and they want a very clear result. So what you can now do is innovate on the mechanism. And it is one of the most exhilarating approaches to business.